Hey guys, how are you? My name is João Zorro. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk about what people are searching on Google right now. Okay, I really like this tool, this site, Think with Google. It's awesome if you want insights, ideas, inspirations on how to identify market trends. Okay, it's awesome. And Google just launched a new interactive tool to see the fast rising retail categories in Google search. Okay, and this is the tool here. So what you can do here, you can select the country. It's only available for 3 countries, so Australia, United Kingdom, and United States. And here you can change the time frame. Okay, so you have monthly, weekly, and yearly. So let's stick with the monthly. Okay, so on the left you will see here, and you can scroll down and up, you can see the top trending categories. Okay, and now this is the one that is selected. It's the top trending category, so golf bags, accessories. And here on the right you will see the top growing searches for this specific category. Okay, you see here that there's an increase of 200% in searches, so comparing to the last period, in this case last month with the previous month. Okay, and you see here that the top searches are golf push carts, golf pull carts, click gear 4.0, I suppose this is a model, golf push carts for sale, and so on. This is great because if you have a e-com site, if you are doing affiliate marketing, or even if you are doing print on demand, you can come here and you can get ideas of trending products. Okay, so why not try to promote golf bag accessories? Okay, or if this category is a top trending category, why not do some designs if you are doing print on demand? Okay, so let's see here some of the top trending categories. So swimming pools, and note that each time I select a category, this section here changes. Okay, so now you will see the top growing searches for swimming pools. Okay, then sneeze guards. Okay, this has to do, of course, with the coronavirus pandemic. Evaporative coolers, water parks and slides, outdoor umbrellas, sunshade accessories, party streamers and curtains, outdoors umbrellas and sunshades, vehicle, boat racks, pool covers and ground cloth, pool liners, and so on. Okay, so you see that this is awesome. Oh, and down here you will see the relative volume of the category that is chosen. Okay, let's go back to the first one, so golf bags, accessories. Down here you will see that this increase in volume is more accentuated in these states. Okay, so Michigan 100, then Illinois, New York, California, Texas, Wisconsin, and Colorado. Okay, and you can scroll again, scroll down, and scroll up. So you see that searches in these states represent a bigger impact on this 200% increase. Okay, so what you can do is you can try to be more selective in terms of advertising. So you can advertise golf bags, accessories mainly to these states. So this is awesome, this tool. Okay, so I will leave you the link in the description. Okay, there are other tools, other Google tools that you can also use for additional insights. So I'm pretty sure that you have heard of Google Trends. So this is also another great tool that you can use. So for instance, what you can do is you just select a term, okay, and you just enter it here, and then you can see the interest over time. Okay, and what you can see here is that there's a sudden spike here in the last day or so. Okay, So for instance, if I go here and I enter hand sanitizer, I'm pretty sure that you will see a huge spike here in the end of February, and of course the reason is the coronavirus pandemic. Okay, and you can also choose here the geography, so the country, so worldwide, and then you have a list of, I don't know, but most likely all countries where Google is present. Then you can see this interest over time, or over the past 12 months, hour, 4 hours, day, 7 days, 30 days, okay, and so on. Here, all categories, or you can choose a specific category, and also you can choose between web search, image search, news search, Google Shopping, YouTube search, okay? And you can also compare terms. So if I choose here face masks, you most likely will see something similar. Okay, so but it seems there's a much higher interest in face masks. So let's delete this one, remove this one, and then let's type coronavirus. Okay, now you see that coronavirus has a higher interest in terms of searches than face masks, of course. Okay, and you have here some information also with regards to the breakdown by sub-region. Okay, in this case you will see the interest by state. Okay, and that's it, guys. So this is also an awesome tool. So you have other options here. You can also go here and choose trending searches, and you will see the top searches for today. Okay, and you can also change the country. Okay, and also real-time searches. Google also suggests Market Finder, and the Market Finder is a very interesting tool. So you click Get Started. Okay, and now what you are going to do is you will enter here your site URL. Okay, so in my case I just launched a new blog, alfiechoicestips.com. okay, and what Google is going to do, they will start by identifying which categories relate to my business, so they can give me the most tailored market recommendations. Okay, so let's click continue. Okay, and now they say, and they are correct, that this site is most likely related with these categories. So weight loss and diet programs, fitness, weight loss drugs and medication, sports, nutrition, supplements. Okay, if you want, you can add additional categories. So you click here and you add additional, I don't know, diet, let me see, diet, nutrition and diet, for instance, here. Okay, diet and diet programs, and that's it. Okay, and now I will click here confirm categories. Okay, where do you want to sell? So I want to sell within the United States. I click here, and the results are this one. So your top recommended markets. We calculate which region offers the best opportunities for growth based on key metrics for your chosen categories: California, Texas, and Florida. So if I want to focus on specific states, I should focus on these ones. Okay, so you can come down and you can complete your profile, and they will send you more personalized recommendations. Okay, the other tool is Shopping Insights US. So you click here. Okay, and then you enter a product, brand, or category to get started. So I don't know, weight loss supplement. Okay, and then they will give you a bunch of brands. Okay, so let's suppose that I'm doing affiliate marketing and I can promote Weight Watchers. Okay, and I'm pretty sure they have an affiliate program. Okay, so let's choose this one, and they will give you an idea of the searches over time during this period, and you can choose here 1 month. If I click here, 1 year, and you can see how the searches behave over time frame of 1 year. Okay, and you see here that usually because losing weight is one of the top New Year's resolutions, you will see here a spike in interest for every terms related with weight loss. Okay, and usually in the beginning of spring you also see the interest increasing, and you also have here information when it comes to interest by locations and shopping season. You can choose specific shopping seasons, so like President's Day, Valentine's Day, Chinese New Year, and so on. So just make sure to try out these tools. They are awesome, and most likely most of these are really underused, and the information that they give you, the insights that you get with these tools are really important when you are trying to decide which niche to be in, which specific products or services to promote or sell. You really need to use these tools, and they are free. Okay, so you have the links in the description, so make sure you use these tools. And that's it, guys. So thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you are notified each time I upload a new video. And if you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment. Okay, so see you. Bye bye.